With 12 senators present, the chair declares a quorum.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move to declare all elected positions in the Senate vacant.
Is there any objection? Second. Duly seconded. The motion is approved. Majority Leader.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President Pro Tem.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
I hereby move and nominate Senator Sherwin Gatchalian as the Senate President Pro Tempore.
Is there any objection?
Seconded.
Duly seconded. The motion is approved. Thank you, dear colleagues. Majority Leader.
So, majority leader. Ikaw na. Sige, ikaw na. Second muna.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we elect Senator Juan Miguel Subiri as Chairman of the Committee on Rules.
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Thank you very much, my dear colleagues. My dear colleagues, I move that we proceed with the oath taking of the Senate President Pro Tempore. I so move. And we will ask Senator Soto, the most senior member of this chamber, to proceed with the oath to our new Senate President Pro Tem.
Sundan mo na lang, sir, sa copy namin.
Having been elected to this position of Senate President Pro Tempore, do hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities, and maintain true faith and allegiance to the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself all the time without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Senate President Pro Tempore.
Majority Leader.
Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate Secretary.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move to nominate and elect Secretary Ray Bantug Jr. to the position of Senate Secretary. There being no other nominations present.
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved. Session was scheduled to resume on Monday, June 1, 2026, and on Tuesday, June 2, 2026. But the former Senate President failed to appear in both instances. Further, Article 6, Section 16(5) of the Constitution provides that neither House shall, during sessions of Congress, adjourn for more than 3 days without the consent of the other House. The Senate has been adjourned and unable to resume session for the past 2 days, placing us on the brink of constitutional violation had we not convened today. Thus, in the absence of a duly consulted postponement and the continued absence of the former Senate President Pro Tempore and members of the majority, we are compelled to call the session to order. The quorum of 12 is based on majority of 22 senators, over whom jurisdiction can be obtained by the Senate. This is in full accord with the ruling of the court in Avellino versus Cuenco, that an absolute majority of 12 out of the 23 members can constitute a constitutional majority of the Senate for quorum purposes, and with precedent, specifically the May 5, 2015 session, where the quorum was based on 17 available senators, with 7 others beyond the Senate's coercive jurisdiction. Thank you.
Thank you
dear
very much for
colleagues.
the clarity, Mr. President. Mr. President, let the record reflect that the chair, as Senate President Pro Tempore, shall serve as acting president pursuant to Rule 5. Yes. Presiding officer of the Senate pursuant to Rule 5, Section 4C and 5 of the Rules of the Senate. Yes. Pursuant to our rules, the wording is actually acting president, Mr. President, on our rules. Just for the record, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move that the President of the Republic of the Philippines and the House of Representatives be informed of the election of Senate President Pro Tempore and Acting Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion of the majority leader is hereby approved.
I move that the first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate be adjourned, sine G.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. The first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate is adjourned sine die.
Alright mga kababayan, no, mag-reaction tayo dito sa biglaang kaganapan ngayong hapon dyan sa Senado na kung saan ay binakanti na nga po nila mga kababayan, no, yung mga komitiba at inilaklok nila dito si Senator Gatchalian bilang Senate Pro Tempore, no, or Acting Senate President mga kababayan. At ito na nga yung sinasabi natin talaga na last move, no, mga kababayan, na ito yung ginagawa or gagawin talaga nila para hindi po talaga matuloy itong Blue Ribbon Committee hearing bukas. So talagang ginagawa talaga nila yung lahat na makakaya nila mga kababayan, no, para mabago yung liderato ng Senado. So ito yung sinasabi kanina at nung mga nakarang araw pa nila Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano na gagawin talaga nila lahat na para hindi po matuloy yung Blue Ribbon hearing bukas mga kababayan. So abangan natin bukas, no, kung ano po yung magiging hakbang nila Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano at ng mga kasamahan niya dito sa majority. Pero itong isa sa mga kasama sana nila, itong si Senator Chis Escudero ay bigla nga pong pumasok, no, dito sa kanilang session ngayong hapon. Hindi ko alam kung kumalas na siya mga kababayan, no, dito sa majority group or kung hindi na kinaya niya yung pressure sa kanya na talagang sinasabi ni Senator Jinggoy na kung hindi ka kakala sa majority ay tuloy yung kaso mga kababayan, no, na kinaharap niya. At itong si Senator Chis Escudero ay meron din pong plunder ata mga kababayan din na kinakaharap, no, pati itong sa COMELEC ngayon nung inimbestigahan na yung kanyang sa election na related na ano mga kababayan, no, expenses yata yun. At hindi ko lang sure kung bumigay siya mga kababayan, no, at tuluyan na po niyang tinalikuran yung grupo ng majority senators, no, sa grupo nila Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. So abangan po natin mga kababayan kung ano po magiging sagot dito, no, ng majority group dito sa ginawang action ngayon ng minority na inagaw na nila yung liderato mga kababayan. So last minute po ito talagang galawan nila mga kababayan, no, dahil bukas na nga po yung Blue Ribbon hearing sana at yun na po yung pagkakataon sana natin na mapakinggan yung 18 Marines, no, at kung sino-sino pa yung kanyang or kanilang sasabihin na nakatanggap dito sa mali-malitang pera mga kababayan. Sigurado po tayo dyan dito sa kailang pamumuno ngayon, no, kay Gatchalian sa grupo nila Soto ay tiway na naman mga kababayan. Wala na namang investigation ng flood control na mangyayari, no. Tingnan natin bukas kung matuloy mga kababayan, no, kung ano po yung magiging hakbang ng nila Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, kasi sa tingin ko sila lang po talaga yung may pag-asa tayong marinig, no, yung mga testimonya, yung mga taong involved dito na maipatawag at magsalita dito sa Blue Ribbon hearing. Pero sa ginagawa nila ngayon na pag-agaw, no, ng liderato ng Senado ay tiyak 1000% yan na uupuan na naman nila mga kababayan. Kaya wish na lang natin talaga na mag 2028 na at mapalitan na yung presidente at bago ng administration mga kababayan, at hopefully si VP Sara Duterte yung magiging next president ay talagang ito yung time talaga na mapapanagot. Wala nang haharang, no, walang hadlang or wala nang hahadlang mga kababayan, wala nang magbi-pressure sa mga senador na harangin itong investigation ng flood control mga kababayan. At siguro by then ay mapapanagot na ang mga totoong magnanakaw dito sa flood control corruption mga kababayan. And for sure maraming mga congressman at hindi lang po itong mga senators na majority yung may kaso, no, pati dito sa minority ngayon na talagang tuwang-tuwa, nagpapalakpakan sila lahat dito mga kababayan, itong mga minority dahil siguro siguro sa tingin nila ay mawawala na yung tinik na mangyari bukas, no? Yung magiging dagok sa kanilang buhay bukas sa mga isasiwalat sana ng mga 18 Marines at ng iba pang mga witnesses dito na pinapatawag nila Senator Marcoleta, no, nahaharap nga sana bukas sa Blue Ribbon Committee. So abangan natin kung ano po yung magiging sagot at hakbang bukas nila Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, mga kabayan. Kaya nakakadismaya, no, yung nangyari ngayon ng itong si Senator Chis Escudero ay pumasok pa talaga. So siguro ay hindi po natin na alam kung hindi na po niya nakaya, no, yung pressure, mga kababayan, na ginagawa sa kanila, na talagang kung kakalas ka dito kay Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano na grupo ay hindi matuloy, no, hindi matutuloy yung mga kaso, hindi matutuloy yung warrant of arrest, mga kababayan, kagaya ng ginawa nila kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada. At siguro pinili niya na maging ano siya dito, no, malaya, hindi siya makulong, mga kababayan, sa kanyang kinakarap na kaso or hindi matuloy yung kanyang kaso. So abangan natin, mga kababayan, no, kung ano pa yung mga magiging kaganapan dito sa Senado bukas at mamaya sa sagot ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. So tuwang-tuwa yung mga tulpo, mga kababayan, na hindi matuloy bukas yung hearing ng Blue Ribbon, mga kababayan, at si Gatchalian na yung acting Senate President nila ngayon, mga kababayan. So ano pa masabi nyo, please comment down below. Maraming salamat. God bless po sa ating lahat.